YouTube family, welcome back. If you're a newbie, my name is DevanOnDeck. I cover fashion and tech, and today we're talking about how I took my channel from 5,000 subscribers to 70,000 subscribers in just 3 months. If you've been subscribed from the very beginning, you remember I put out quality content. I was still putting out 3 videos a week. Good stuff, but yet I still wasn't having the growth and the explosive growth like I wanted to, and I almost quit. But I am so glad I did not, because literally a month later, after my first year, I got my first viral video, and then right after that, another one, and then another one. And before you knew it, I went from 5K to 70K in 3 months. So the question is, what did I actually change? And the answers come right after this intro.
Ooh, I'm a pretty man. Ooh, that's that ugly style.
Now, the first thing that I changed about my channel is that I cut down my variety. Even though I was talking about fashion and tech, I was just doing too much. I would do like tech unboxings for like gadgets and stuff like that. I would do traditional sneaker unboxings, vlogs, like a whole bunch of stuff. I really had to zero in on what people should expect from me. So if anything, if you're a new YouTuber, I would definitely recommend that you do not vlog yet. You know why? Because no one knows who you are yet. No one cares about your life. Now, if you already have a big following somewhere else where everybody really wants to know what's going on with you, then go for it. But I was putting so much energy and so much time into vlogging, and it took me like a whole day just to edit one vlog, right? That nobody will watch because nobody knew who I was and they didn't care. People that want to watch you on YouTube for the first time, you have to have a hook, and follow me around for the day is not a hook. Now, if it's a vlog with something exciting, like I'm jumping off a balcony or into a pool or something crazy, then maybe that's totally different. But my life personally is not super interesting. What's more interesting about me is the value that I can give people. So I really focused on the value add more so than follow me around because my life is so exciting and cool, because it's not. The second thing I did was get smarter about my thumbnails and titles. When it comes to thumbnails, you want to have a branded look to all your thumbnails. Look at my page right now. If you look at all my videos, for the most part, 9 times out of 10, they have the same font, same colors. So when people find my content, they know that it's going to be looking consistent. They know what to expect from me. So it's really good for brand recognition. And for my titles, as well as my keywords, I use a tool called vidIQ. If you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, or you're new to YouTube and you have not used vidIQ yet, you need to use it, okay? It's a free tool. You add it to your browser, and it's like having X-ray vision into the world of YouTube. And they give you all the things you need to do to optimize your videos to be more algorithmically friendly, to have a better chance of being seen by other people. Now, last but not least on this list is the biggest tip I can give you, okay? Do not miss this one. You gotta be smart about the authorities in your space and piggyback off those guys and or girls, right? So since I wanted to make waves in the fashion space, I knew I had a unique perspective to bring to the table. I would just watch all the guys that were the authorities in the space, meaning the biggest channels, right? And in fashion, it's like 3 guys. So they make similar videos sometimes. And at one time, they all made a video about how to look more muscular. It was kind of all in the same little 1 or 2 month window. And as long as it's within like 3 months, it's open season for me to go ahead and make a video similar to that, but with my own perspective. And what I noticed they were missing is that nobody was talking about how to look more muscular for a regular dude, an average guy, a chubbier guy that isn't fit. So I decided to make that video, and boom, that joint blew up. So on top of having great content, on top of having consistent output, on top of being smart about my titles, I also piggybacked off authorities in the space, and that was really the key right there. So here we go, y'all. That was my first YouTube tips video. I feel really good about it. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like this, make sure you give your guy a thumbs up. Any more questions about what I said or requests about things that I haven't talked about yet about YouTube, go ahead and leave it down below for me. I would love to answer them for you and make more videos. You know I listen to y'all as a community, so I would love to hear what you got to say. And if you haven't subbed to this channel yet, you know what to do. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.